What are we going to do today? Well, today, this is probably one of the best days. It is sampling day. I got Laura to join me.
Hello.
And we got 6 different moonshines here to try out. Are you up for it?
Sure.
All right. Okay, but first things first, welcome to Stillworks. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Welcome to Moonshine Wednesdays. All right, so let's get ready to get started. And let me get set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're all ready. I think what we're going to start with is the Blackberry lemonade. I have had this, and it is pretty tasty.
Okay.
So, and I'm not going to fill the glasses up because
Last time was so much fun, though.
Yep. Now you notice, I mean, it's got a pretty color to it. It's a little bit on the thick side. And I like it on ice. That's the way we like it,
Yes.
on ice. All right, so you want to go ahead and give it a try first?
Absolutely. Smells awesome. That's very good.
Nice and tart.
It's not as tart as you would think with all the lemonade, and it's good.
It did have a lot of lemon in it, but it is tart, but it's very enjoyable. That would be very, very good on a good hot summer day.
Yes, it would. When there was nothing else to do.
So, all right, let's rate that from 1 to 10.
9.
9? Yeah, I'll agree with that. It's going to be awful hard to get a 10.
You
We've
think?
had 10s, but it'd be awful hard to get a 10. Okay. Woo! All right. That's the Blackberry. Blackberry lemonade. All right. I'll put the glass over here out of the way.
Yep.
Okay, this next one's a little
Different.
And just remember, a lot of these moonshines, they will settle. Just give them a good shake before you serve it. This was an oatmeal cookie moonshine, all right? And I think you could just, well, you like oatmeal cookies
Right.
at any time, right? Okay. Kind of a weird color, but that's all right. All right, let's give it a shot. Ooh.
Smells like a cookie.
Smells like an oatmeal cookie, don't it?
Yep.
Tastes like an oatmeal cookie with a kick.
With a kick.
It does have a little bit of a burn to it. And it's got a little bit of cinnamon taste to it.
I wish it was just a smidgen thicker.
A little bit thicker.
Yeah.
Well,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah, it might be a good adjustment. All right, well, I like that. That's pretty tasty.
It is. I'd rate it a 7.
7? All right, I would go a 7, 7.5. All right. Well, that's 2 down. Got 4 to go.
We only have 2 more glasses.
I'll get some more glasses. All right, so that is that one. Now, here's one. This would be great for Sunday morning. This is Grapefruit Moonshine. It's a real nice color.
Oh, it does. It looks all different than it did in the house. The color. Wow.
Like I said, nice looking. All right, let's give it a shot.
The smell is there. It really does.
To me, it tastes like you got the half a grapefruit and you cut it in half,
Put the sugar on it.
put a little sugar on it, and eating it. That's what it tastes like to me.
Yes, I agree.
But it does have a kick, or am I starting to get a little feeling from all these?
That could probably be the case.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And we're not done yet.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, that one is good.
That would be good on a hot summer day or cold winter night.
Oh, yeah.
I'll be glad when the winter does leave. It just don't want to give it up
Nope,
this year.
it is just hanging on. Yuck.
Wow, that's good.
I don't think I think a 9.5.
9.5?
Yeah.
I'll go 9.
Yeah.
But that wouldn't hurt my feelings to drink that at any time.
Have a brunch and drink your grapefruit and
All right, well let's finish these samples up, and I'm gonna rinse all the glasses out, and we're gonna start on. We got 3 to go. We're halfway done.
okay.
So, okay. All right, this one here is called Cinnamon Stick Moonshine. It's kind of like Fireball. Yeah, people's had Fireball, but I think it's a little bit different. Ooh.
Let me smell. Oh. It smells like one of those red hot candies.
Yes, it does. And if you want to check out how I made these are all on just go down my video list and you can find they got the recipes on the description box of what these moonshines are.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to make them for yourself, I mean, that is a neat looking color.
Yes, it is.
And there's no coloring in this. It's 100% the way it came out. All right, ready? Mm-hmm. Ooh, that just tastes like a piece of cinnamon candy.
Yeah, it does.
It's a little bit on the sweet side.
And it's not a bite.
No, not a bite.
I like it.
I think it could get you in trouble.
Oh, yeah.
It could get you
I
in
agree.
trouble. But boy, is that good.
Oh, yeah.
That's the last I got of that. So we might have to make some more sometime.
Okay. I like it because it's not so hot.
Right. It's not hot. Now, I have made Fireball where you put hot pepper flakes in it.
And that's good.
It's good, though. I like it. But
I like this.
I'm going to give it a
is.
9.
9.
9.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, now these are the 2 creamy ones. No.
Now, this one here, this one's going to have a little heat.
Which one is that?
This is the Mango Habanero Pepper Moonshine. I don't know if you've had this.
I don't think so.
It's easy to make. It takes a few weeks. Yeah, can I have a little? But this one will have a little bite to it. All right. I can really smell that habanero pepper.
Yeah. I wonder how much heat it has.
Now, I used the frozen mangoes, and the reason I did that is because it was a lot easier on me. You know?
Absolutely.
And I think they taste just as well as a fresh, or almost.
I agree with that.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Woo!
Wow.
It tastes good.
It's spicy.
Now, the recipe I had, it called for 2 habaneros, and I only used 1.
No.
And I took all the seeds out because they said if you wanted extra heat, leave the seeds in. or take the seeds out for less heat.
It's spicy.
That gets your attention.
Yeah, it will. Oh my God. This would be for the end of the night. You know, after you've drank all day and you because you wouldn't know.
Woo! That's too much. That's something else.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think it needs to sit on ice before you taste it.
Woo!
Yep.
Yeah, I need a little water after that one.
I mean, it's good, but phew.
Yeah, it is tasty, but it does have some heat to it. But you know, there's a lot of people out there that
Love heat.
they love that heat. Now, this one here is the coconut lime.
Yeah.
Now, this one you do have to give a good shake because it will separate.
Okay.
And it has no milk or anything. It's just the creaminess from the white color is just from the coconut.
Oh, really?
There is no cream or anything like that
Oh,
in
you
it.
didn't use coconut cream? No?
No, I used the coconut
Milk.
the coconut milk and the cream of coconut,
Oh, okay.
but no like half and half or anything
Oh,
like
okay.
that. No milk.
Oh, well, this is, hopefully, will taste like a pina colada. I'm going to swirl it for a second just to
Let it get cold.
get cold.
I mean, I like my moonshines cold. I do. And if you want to warm up, drink some more of that habanero. Woo!
You can finish them. I'll finish the cinnamons. All right. I think
But it is look creamy looking.
Yeah, it is. Well, yes, it's very creamy looking.
It's a little bit on the thicker side, but not thick.
No, I think it'll be good. It'll be probably perfect.
Especially once the ice melted a little bit.
Yep.
All right, let's.
Now, I wonder, is it going to taste like a key lime pie? No, because we didn't do key limes.
No, I use just regular limes.
Okay.
Because key limes to me are a little bit on the bitter side.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
They're really, really tart, not to me.
All right, let's see. It smells good. Oh, my God.
It's what the name implies. It's coconut and lime.
That's good. Mm. Now, did you use flake coconut in here, too?
No,
No.
just the coconut milk and the coconut cream.
Okay.
It's like sweetened coconut.
It's good. It looks like it has, I guess, from the coconut cream, because it looks like it has the coconut flakes in it. Okay.
Yeah. I think it's either probably from the coconut cream.
Okay.
Is what you're getting at.
That's
good. I'm gonna give it a 9.
I'd say 8.5, 9.
8.5, 9.
Yeah. I like the flavor, though. It's
You
good.
could also probably put a little bit of Sprite in with that, or no?
No,
No.
no. Not with the cream. It wouldn't go well.
That's very enjoyable, though.
It is good. And you did give it a good shake, right? I
Yeah.
saw you do that. Yep.
Yeah, because I'll tell you what, it will separate rather fast. So before every time you serve it, just give it a great shake. And I know, and there is chemicals out there but I'm not sure what they are. Somebody's told me what you can use to keep it from separating. But I like to keep as much natural flavors
I agree.
as I can.
I
I do
agree.
not mind shaking.
No.
Right? I'm in such a habit of if I pick up that, I'm gonna shake it no matter what. Or if I pick up that cinnamon, I'm gonna shake it no matter what. All right.
I can't think of a favorite, so I think they were all good, but I think
In their own way.
In their own way, but I think the best one that I liked was probably the cinnamon and the grapefruit.
That grapefruit's hard. Yeah.
I think those are my two favorites out of this tasting.
I'm gonna But that blackberry lemonade,
Yeah, that's not bad, but those are my two favorites for this tasting.
yeah. Yeah, I would have to go the cinnamon grapefruit. I'll agree with you. Cinnamon grapefruit, I think, is the best.
Then the raspberry,
The
blackberry, and this one. Oh, no. That was the hot one.
Yeah, I guess if you were a hot person where you really enjoyed that heat,
Yeah.
you would love that.
It was a little bit much for me, but that's
For
okay.
me, I could drink a half a glass of that and really enjoy it, but then I'm going to move something else.
Yep.
Yeah, that's just me, though. But, hey, I know there's people out there that they could drink that whole damn quart and want more.
Yep.
I'm just not, I don't, but I enjoyed it.
Sure, but
A half a glass at a time.
is plenty. Yep, that's where I'm at.
Okay, well, that is our tasting. I would love to thank Laura for joining. And we really enjoyed her input, her expertise on moonshine. And we're having a lot of fun.
Absolutely.
And then once I turn the camera off,
We'll have more.
we get to have more.
There you
Hey,
go.
it's a tough job, but somebody has to do it,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
So I guess the last thing I have to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody.